Okay, welcome to this new video in which I will explain you how you can download and configure your Apache web server with the new latest Netbeans 12.3, and you can configure that one to get your web applications running. Move to google.com and type Apache Tomcat. Now once you get the output, you will get this first link, tomcatapache.org, and you can click this index download, and amongst download you will click the 64-bit Windows zip. So if you choose this one, you will be downloading that particular zip file into some folder of your PC. I have already downloaded and therefore I will not download again. Once you have downloaded the zip file, now you need to extract this zip file into the C folder, and what you can do is you can make a name of the Apache Tomcat folder's name, and then you can extract the files in this particular folder. I have already done so, so I will not do it again. You will click that particular name of the folder, or you create one new folder from them and click OK. So the moment you click the OK button, what you will get is you will get the files in that particular folder. You see my localhost C drive, Apache Tomcat, and this is the extracted files of the Apache Tomcat server. Now once these are available here, what we need to do is we need to configure it with our Netbeans. Now coming into the Netbeans, you choose this new project and Java Maven, and amongst this these available options you choose the web application. Now if you choose web application, you can give any name to your project and choose the next button. Here although I have added the Apache Tomcat server, you will not see this option at the first time, and what you need to do is you need to add Apache Tomcat and click the next button. The moment you click the next button, it will ask you for the location of the Apache Tomcat server. So here you will have to place the name of that folder where you have placed the Apache Tomcat. Okay, so the moment you do this thing, you click OK, open, and since I have already configured it with this PC, so you will be getting this option that is already registered. Otherwise, you can write down your username and password for this Tomcat server. So once you do this, you can click the next button onto your machine. This will add the files which you have created for the web application. Now what you can do is you can run the file from here. Right click and choose run, and you see here the start page is there, and it is the my.jsp folder out of which you have got the hello world file. Okay, so this JSP is there. You right click and you can run this file individually also, and for the first time it will take some time to execute and give you the option. And here you see that this is the output. The localhost 8080 is set with my JSP, and the new JSP file is showing the output. So that's how you will run the JSP files on the new Apache Tomcat 12.3 along with the configuration of the Tomcat server. I hope you will be able to understand the video and you will be able to configure onto your machines also. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and promote within your friends group also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.